everyone, this is That Vegan Teacher, and this is the comment section when I post a premiere. You can see I'm making some comments here. I'm showing some fruits and veggies, trying to be cheery. We got 63 people waiting. Dinner with SpongeBob, Bella Vegan Dog, and me. That's the subject today. Now I'm just going behind the scenes because I want to be able to comment a little more easily. Sometimes it goes very fast and I'm unable to write. So let's see what we have here. I'm sorry, I'm a carnivore. So whoever wrote that, don't be sorry, just don't be a carnivore, just change. Stop being cruel. Okay, Miss Katie's teaching assistant here. Being vegan can be extremely healthy, but not if you only drink soda and eat chips. Many vegans are top athletes. Eat whole foods, not processed foods. Eat 30 different vegan foods a day. Good job. I love that comment. Here's somebody writes, if we're vegan phobes, she's a carnist. What? I don't understand what that means. To be vegan phobic means to be cruel to vegans for no reason. It's like being racist or homophobic. It's just wrong. And being a carnist is somebody who eats meat all the time. Somebody writes, I don't like veggies. Well, you know what? I understand. Before I became vegan, I didn't like veggies either. I used to eat, my favorite things were like a bowl of cereal, a piece of toast, bagels, crackers, like things like that. I really didn't like fruits and vegetables that much, but I grew to like them. You know, it's amazing what you can do when you set your mind to it. What else have we got here? This is, why is this SpongeBob? Okay, I ate a beautiful watermelon today. Great job, Lily. Thank you. Thank you for telling me. All right, so we've got 2 minutes to go here, and the premiere is going to start. I'm just going to turn the volume down a little bit here so that I can concentrate on you guys. All right, so what do we have here? I just ate fries. That's great. Fries are vegan, no problem. Not sure why people is writing 69 people. Oh, I guess there's 69 people waiting. Okay, 82 actually now. All right, now what else do we have? Put me in timeout for an hour, I dare you. Well, if you don't want to be here, you can just leave. Listen to the people for God's sakes. Okay, what else we got? I ate a cookie. All right, good. As long as your cookie is vegan and it has no eggs in it, has no milk in it, that's perfectly fine. I love veggies, okay? Don't delete my comment. All right, good job, Husky Girl. You like veggies. That's great. I think this person's saying they love cow. Well, I hope you love cows that are alive and not dead. Cows are beautiful creatures. They have a right to live just as we do, just as cats and dogs do. All right, so we've got some people that are, some of the moderators here are deleting some of the messages that are rude, and that's fine. I accidentally pressed it, don't know what you mean. Hi, y'all. Somebody comes and says hi, and that's fine. It's better if you just write something interesting like what you ate that was vegan. That would be great. Gordon Ramsay have vegan meals. Yes, Gordon Ramsay does have some vegan meals, but he still pays people to murder others, so that's wrong. We need to have a kind world where people like who are chefs are all cooking only vegan foods. I am enjoying popsicle. Good, popsicles are vegan. They are just fruit, frozen. That's amazing. Why am I now choking? I don't know. I hope you're okay. If you need the Heimlich maneuver, just do it on yourself. Just put your hands in front of your diaphragm, bend over a chair, and just get that thing out of there, whatever you're choking on. Okay, SpongeBob makes patties. I don't know what that said. All right, vegan donut. Vegan donuts are great. All right, so the video has started. And you can see my kitchen, you can see SpongeBob on the counter there. And I'm just gonna keep going on here looking at the comment section. All right, oh, but we have to show Bella, of course. Oh, Bella. Bella's such a good girl. All right, so somebody comes and says, hi, vegan friends, and that's great. Thank you for coming to say hi so politely. Something about, okay, somebody's spamming fruits and veggies. That's perfectly fine. I'm totally fine with spamming that. Thank you, Watch Dominion, to remind people to watch the important documentaries. Dominion Movement and Forks Over Knives, Cowspiracy, Seaspiracy, all of these are super important. All right, what else do we have here? Somebody has deleted a message. I guess some people are being rude. Thank you, May, for being a great teaching assistant and helping out here. Thanks, Watch Dominion documentary. Cody, thank you, Cody, so much. Thank you for reminding people to go to howdoigovegan.com. These are excellent teaching assistants here that are, you know, eating animals is murder. Thank you for pointing that out. These are really very helpful. Sarah comes and says, hi, how are you? Hi, Sarah. Thank you. Get right into it, sweetie. All right, vegan, great, yes, awesome. Bella, cutie dog, yes, she is cute. Thank you for saying that. Bella is a good dog. She's perfectly fine. She's a healthy vegan dog. She's been vegan since August 2017. And she's perfectly healthy. We just got her blood work back and the doctor said she's great. The only thing is actually she's slightly overweight, which is really weird because people say, oh my God, she's so skinny, she's half dead. But she's actually gained quite a lot of weight. She weighs, I think, 66 pounds and she used to be 56. So we got to sort of stop feeding her. But how can refuse those eyes? You know, she looks at us and she just looks so cute. How can you say no to that face? Anyway, I got to try. So, yeah, she does eat vegan dog food and she just loves it. So I give her probably more than she should have. Anyway, but honestly, she has her grandmother living here. That's my mother-in-law. And I have a feeling she's feeding her snacks on the side because I really just feed Bella only 2 cups a day. And a few little snacks here and there, but they're just like pieces of fruit. So I don't know. Okay, we love you, Bella. Oh, that's so nice. Thank you for saying that. Bella, eat the fly. Bella is actually trying to catch the flies, yeah. And I'm not going to stop her from doing something that comes naturally to her like that. I can't. I do try to open all the windows and let the flies out once in a while, but you know what that's like. You never know if they're actually more of them coming in than going out. But anyway. All right, so Watch Dominion. Thank you for reminding people again. Vegankit.com. Have a look at that. And Adapt. This is a site by Gary Yurovsky. Adapt.org. Notice there's 2 T's at the end. Adapt.org. Have a look at that site. All right, paprika doesn't rhyme with Bella. Well, I was trying, you know, has an sound at the end. All right, once again wondering for the 100th time if That Vegan Teacher plays Animal Crossing. No, I do not play video games. I have said it many times. I don't play any video games. I don't have time. I'm too busy trying to teach and make the world a better place and tell people not to eat animals and make videos like that. And even as I'm premiering a video, I'm also filming another one, as you can see. So my day is very booked, solid, trying to create content to make sure that as many people know about veganism as possible. I had a vegan dinner today. Thank you, Dark Lord 555, for saying that. That's great. I'm very, very proud of you for being so positive. What else is people saying? Mayo, gross. Okay, well, if you don't like mayo, that's okay. You don't have to tell everybody. We don't care about your personal taste buds, whether you like mayo or not. Just, you know, say something that you do like. Why be negative? Okay, yum, hot dogs. Yeah, hot dogs can be good as long as they're vegan. They're fine. I just ate some fruit for a snack. That's amazing. Thank you for telling us that. Good job. All right, what's this? That Vegan Teacher can beat Gochu. I have no idea what that's all about. Okay, May is saying, be as vegan as possible, start now. Thank you very much for saying that. Cody, again, is reminding people to watch Seaspiracy and other documentaries. Forks Over Knives and all kinds of things. All right, solos. I'm not sure what you're saying. What does that mean, solos? What is that supposed to mean? I don't even understand. Is that a question? Is that a statement? What on earth are you talking about? How can I possibly respond if I don't know what you mean? Okay, let's see. Somebody's swearing, so that's not going to go up, I guess. Okay, where's the spice? Like, ooh, what is that? Well, I did put some spices in there, and there was already some spices in the veggie ground round itself. There were some spices, so that's where the spices are. All right. Yeah, it is actually a super delicious dinner. It was really, really good. My husband ate the same thing as I did, and we loved it. Okay, I love this YouTube channel. Thank you, boy, for saying that. Thank you so much. Stop making fun of her food. Yeah, you can make fun of it if you want, but it's kind of cruel. Like, what's the point? It's just healthy food. I mean, it's just food. It's like insulting nature. How can you insult edamame beans and some delicious watermelon and walnuts? Almonds over there. I mean, you know, people will just insult everything. You guys have the weirdest comments sometimes, honestly. It looks like a chili dog. Okay. Eat every animal on earth. Nope, that's not a good idea. Why would you do that? Do you actually believe that you should eat cats and dogs as well? Humans are also animals, you know? So I don't think you really mean that. That's just you trying to cover up because you feel bad probably for eating animals. Play with my food. Yep, you should play with your food. Decorate your plate. Don't be afraid to cut it up into interesting pieces and have a great time with it. It's a watermelon. Yep. Somebody says she's not homophobic. She wants the LGBTQ community to be consistent in their stance on anti-oppression. Boy, that is an amazing comment. You're absolutely right. I want people who are oppressed to understand that it's not okay to oppress if you don't like being oppressed, then don't oppress the animals. All right, I'm showing here my cone on this video. Delicious vegan ice cream. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I was also showing in this video some KADIE products. These are in the freezer. I don't use these very often, but I was explaining that they are good meat replacers if you are just a new vegan. So let's see what people are commenting while they see that. If we eat vegetables, we're taking away food from the animals. Nope, you're not actually. And the more veggies you eat, the better, because right now we cut down rainforests and we grow crops and we feed them to the animals and we filter them through the animals, which is not good. It's better if we eat them directly ourselves. It's better for the environment and it's better for the animals, because we're not creating animals to begin with, breeding them into existence. We shouldn't be doing that. Animals are not just out there on the fields making love, you know. We rape them. It's wrong. We breed them. It's wrong. Somebody's saying, poor Bella. Meanwhile, Bella is one of the best treated animals in the entire world. She has love. She has walks. She has a lake to play in. I mean, it's ridiculous. Okay, the people bashing vegans and just being rude because they have nothing better to do. Why can't they just leave? If you don't like her, then just leave. Simple as that. Thank you for the comment. What is this person's name? Colorful Falls. You could probably be a moderator. You sound like you're very level-headed. I'll try to remember that if I can, but I have to first check if you're vegan. Okay, someone says, go back to TikTok. Oh, yeah, I would love to be back on TikTok. I had a lot of fun. Okay, here's SpongeBob. I don't actually even really know who SpongeBob is. Honestly, I just know that kids like SpongeBob, so I made a video about him being vegan just as a kind of a joke. I found this, it's a lamp that I found on the side of the road somebody was throwing out, and my granddaughter likes turning it on and off. It's just sort of silly thing. You can have my zucchini baby. Okay, I what's this? I really stopped reading my manga. What? I have no idea. That was too fast. If you love eating animal products, buy KADIE to replace them instead of paying for animal slaughter. Thank you, boy. Thank you. That's a great comment again. I love Bella Vegan Dog, says Pizza Girl. And Jose is here. Hi, Jose. It's great to see you. Thank you, everybody, for being here. All of your comments. Everybody, Bunba has been captured. All right, so Jose is saying cats are vegan. So cats can be vegan. And you see, that's the end of the video right there. So we have 177 people watching, and the comments after the video ends, they still go on for a little while. I want to thank everybody for being here. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.